All right, we are on 2A. Now, number 2 is going to look a little bit different, okay? And I'm going to show you why. So like problem number 1, when we divided by something that was in tenths, we multiplied by 10 over 10. So for problem 2A, we're going to divide by a number that's in hundredths. So what are we going to multiply by? You got it, 100 over 100. So let's try this. So we have 1A, which is 1 6/10, divided by 4 hundredths. Okay, and how can we write this as a fraction? Good. This is the same as 1 6/10 over 4 hundredths. And we multiply it by a number that is equivalent to 1, a fraction that's equal to 1. But remember, we're working in hundredths, so what are we going to multiply it by? 100 over 100. Good job. And we get 160 over 4. 4 hundredths times 100 equals 4. 4 goes into 16 how many times? 4, and you keep your 0. So our answer is 40. All right, hopefully you have this written down. I'm going to give you a couple more seconds, and then we're going to move on to B. Okay, here goes B. To B. We have 1 68/100 divided by 4 hundredths divided by 4 hundredths. What is the next step, everybody? Good, rewriting it as a fraction. Okay, and our next step, good, multiplying by 100 because we're working with hundredths, right? And we get 168 over 4. And 168 divided by 4 is 42. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 42. Look how that worked. Okay, you're going to do C all by yourself. So I'm going to give you a couple more seconds to write this down. And then here is C. 2C. 1 68/100 divided by, this one's a little different, 12 hundredths. But I still want you to do those same steps that we just did. So go ahead and pause the video and do this one yourself. If you're wondering, my son is watching Frozen, if you can hear it in the background. All right, so here we go. I hope you're getting this and that your answer matches mine. Let's do this together. All right, so next step is to rewrite this as a fraction. Okay, then multiply it by 100 over 100. And we do this because we don't want to change the value of this number, right? So we need to multiply it by a fraction equal to 1. That will not change this value. Okay, I'm making sure you guys understand that. Okay, so when you do this, you get 168. Remember, when you multiply by 100, the decimal shifts to the right 2 times. Or not the decimal. Your numbers shift to the left. Okay, here we go. 168 over 12. And when you divide 12 by 168, you get 14. All right. I hope this helps everyone.